check if. Wait, I want to check Iron Monkey. Hold on. Location. Yes, it's finally done. Get me in, get me in, get me in, get me in. Oh my god, look at that clown. It looks weird. Guys, later I'm gonna buy the bundle. Oh my god, this is sick. Ugh, look, that's the clown right there. Ugh. But anyways. Oh my god. Yo, this is amazing. They added more detail. This is art. Oh my god, this is so cool. Look at that. That looks like the Wendigo. Wait, where's Freddy Krueger? This is Freddy Krueger right here. Alright, now let's go check out the new update. Yo, they actually added way detail on this man. Okay, guys. Here we go. Circus here. I got new monsters. And let's see. What do we get? There, we can up. Oh my god. Here it is. Oh my god, it finally opened. Yes. Oh my god, this is sick. Yo. The spider. What's in the wait? Things. What are they called? Ooh. They got this. Holy clown, go right by me. What was that? No, you see, what was that? I saw. Yo, I'm hoping they do not delete this because they actually did a masterpiece on this man. Dang. Should I go there first? I want that looks. I got 2 more swords out. If any clown comes. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh, for a moment I thought a clown came. Oh. Oh. Oh my god, that's amazing. I don't like this. So if I just... I don't want to go in there. But I'm doing it for my viewers, man. What is this? So if I see a freaking large clown, actually. Oh my god! What the freak? No! Where am I now? Excuse me, did they copy a Squid Game? They copy Squid Game. They copy Squid Game. Oh freak. Oh my god! Yeah, they copy Squid Game here. No! No! No, I died! Yo, they actually copied Squid Game. It's not copyright though, because the Squid Games were not made out of cards. Yo, but this update actually says. No, I'm gonna actually make it brighter. Yo, this update is sick. Yo, bro, we gotta go more with that, man. Yo, this is actually crazy. Bro, we've been waiting all this time for a freaking circus, and we got it. Yo, Item Company actually did a masterpiece, man. Because I swear I saw a clown right there. I see a clown right. I saw a clown right there. I swear I saw it. Oh, I don't like that. No, I don't like this. Oh my god, I'm actually going fast. Clown, 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 clown. Oh, come on. Alright, let's do this again. Yo, we hear it. Wow. That looks terrible. I saw the voice split. my god. Yes, I made it. What is this? Wait. What is this? Come on. What is this? What do I do? What is this? Points? What do I do? I put the coins on it? What do I do? What do I do? I can jump on it. That's weird. Oh no! I was gonna get the trampoline. I wanna explore more of that. Like, look, I got these coins. Here, I'm gonna just put them in my thing later. I'm gonna sell them. Plus, I wanna get the trampoline. Then I don't wanna get caught up. Wow. What do you feel with this one? What do you feel with the clown and just freaking gag you and put you in a dimension?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
You wouldn't? No.
Get over here!
What do you want from me? What do you want? Really? Why? She came in, but didn't you? And I'm so much better than see, it looks like it's a school. I'm gonna go in. I guess there's yeah, it's a school. These actual best friends are missing. Like I'm not even gonna buy that sword. I'm just gonna buy these things. Yeah, let's go see. I'm gonna run fast so I can make this video quicker. It's already been like 30 minutes, where I think this is gonna be the longest video of my page. I haven't been posting in a while. I don't even know how I have 22 like subscribers. Some of them don't watch my videos. Blind. Okay, let's get caught by the clown. See, it's really boring that those clowns are freaking. I'm trying to have a closer look at it. Dang, it's fast. Dang you go through walls? This is lame. Oh, no! Yes! Okay, get this one. Yeah, it's boring. Cool though. Dang, I forgot to get those coins. Right, never mind. Sell them in my tent though. Just when he gets trampoline, cool, I like it. I wonder if you can put it in dash. Bye bye. Bye bye. Cool Halloween update. A trampoline. Jump on it now. Like I was the first person to get the trampoline. Nice. Anyways, this is sick. Oh, freak, this is being high. Yeah, it's sick. I wonder if you can put it in your stash. Okay. Alright, guys. See you in another video, guys.